Dealing with a sore, tight neck is never fun. Let's show you how you can get some relief. So for this release, we're going to be using the Rad Roller. If you have another peanut tool like this, you could use that as well. We're going to lay down on the mat. We're going to target our sub-occipitals first. So we're going to take this roller. We're going to place it at the base of the skull. You're going to feel for that bony prominence that sticks out here at the bottom. You're going to go just below that. We're going to take our hands up to the sky. We're going to open out wide. Now here, we're going to relax the back of the shoulders into the mat. And we're just going to take some nice deep breaths. We're just trying to scan and see how the tension is feeling in the sub-occipitals. You might feel one side a little bit more tight than the other. That's completely normal. I want you to take deep breaths in and out. Try to think about an inhale of 3 seconds and an exhale of 6 seconds. You're just relaxing. You're thinking about breathing into the ball. And as you breathe out, you're thinking about letting go of all that tension. I want you to stay in this position for 2 minutes until you feel all that tension subside. If you want to get deeper into it, you can reset your hands, bring them up higher, and open them up again. Once that 2-minute cycle is done, we're going to move down the spine to the next point. So next, we're going to be aiming a little bit lower. We're going to be going down the spine. I want you to find the spot that sticks out the most here at the top of your back. Then you're going to aim to lie that in between the peanut. We're going to open up the hands again wide, and we're going to take nice deep breaths in and out. Again, completely normal to feel more tension on one side. That's why we're going to stay here for 2 minutes, focus on our breathing, and let everything calm down. We're trying to build balance here. A lot of stress and tension from daily activities will hide in the traps in the neck. If we don't get rid of the tension, it's not going anywhere. So if you feel extra irritable or frustrated, you could have an overload of tension in your body, and it's good to release that to also de-stress. Once the 2 minutes is done here, we're going to go to our next point. So we can just lift up our hips and roll down. Also be careful if you have a hoodie or something like that that can get in the way. Just move it out the way. We're going to move down the spine, and we're going to open up. We're going to take nice deep breaths here. We're going to stay here for 2 minutes, and then we're going to move to the next point. So in total, we're going to be working our way from the top all the way down to the bottom. You may have about 6 or 7 points, staying at 2 minutes each to release it. When you're done that, you're gonna get up. You can do some movements like torso twists or cat camels just to relax the back and work that new range of motion. Once you do that, you'll calm down all the muscles that are associated with that neck pain you're feeling, and you'll have a lot more mobility in your neck and a lot of tension that's released from the body. And just like that, you can already feel how the tension has melted away from the neck and you have more movement. Make sure to practice this type of move on a daily basis for the best results. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.